Hi guys, welcome back. We have some things to open from Basic Fun. Thank you so much, Basic Fun, for sending me these toys. I'm so excited to open some. I have two of the Mickey and Friends Mega Mashems left. Let's do these two in this video. You guys can find them at Walmart, Target, and Amazon. We already have this Mickey here with the bow tie, so I'm hoping for a new one. Oh, I see Minnie Mouse. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are so, they're so squishy. I can't get over how much bigger they are than, oh, she's got glitter. How much bigger they are than the other ones. They're so fun. Last one. Man, these never want to work. All right, I just ripped it. Let's see. Oh, yay, a new one. So yay, no duplicates. It's the other Minnie Mouse. Oh, this one is so cute too. There she is. Squish. Bye guys, thanks for watching and thank you, Basic Fun.